Melody Maker Cancun. Melody Maker Cancun is an all-inclusive hotel located in the heart of Cancun, Mexico. Known for its vibrant atmosphere, modern design, and inclusive amenities, it's a popular choice for travelers looking for a dynamic beach experience with a touch of luxury. The resort features a mix of stylish rooms and suites, multiple pools, and direct beach access with areas designed for both relaxation and social gatherings. It's often appreciated by guests for its lively nightlife scene, with bars, lounges, and live entertainment. A selection of on-site dining options ranging from international buffets to specialty restaurants. Bars around the resort are typically included, offering a variety of cocktails and beverages. Several pool areas, often with swim-up bars, and easy access to a private beach area with lounge chairs and umbrellas. Evening entertainment, theme nights, live music, and sometimes even clubs or dance floors for guests who enjoy nightlife. Many all-inclusive resorts have fitness centers, yoga classes, and spa services, though spa treatments are sometimes at an additional cost. Often a range of activities, including water sports, beach volleyball, dance classes, and excursions, are included or available to book for an added cost. Armar House tends to cater to adults and offers a lively vibe that's great for couples, groups of friends, and even solo travelers. It's a place where guests can enjoy the beach by day and join a social scene at night, all while savoring the ease of an all-inclusive experience.